Hello everybody. Say, I'm going to do a quick screencast here to show you how you navigate the Spotlight on Music course, because if you are, say, where this student is right now, you might be noticing that whatever unit lesson the online school has listed for each lesson is starting to not quite match up with what you see in the music studio. So let's go ahead and go into lesson 7 here. Sing higher and lower. Now I'm going to go ahead and launch the music studio. And that's going to open up an external tab because K-12 did not develop Spotlight on Music. This is a McGraw-Hill program. I'm going to go ahead and launch this. Now, if we remember back to the online school, it said that it was supposed to be Unit 1, Lesson 7, right? Now, I'm going to go ahead really quickly and go up to the menu here. Now, one of the things that I think is the easiest to do is when you get into the music studio, just go ahead and click on Menu and go down to Spotlight on Music. Once you're there, of course, it always pops up to Lesson 1. But if you click up here where it says Grade 2, or if you're in 3rd grade, it will say Grade 3. It will show you a more detailed breakdown of the lessons here. Now, as you can see, in the Spotlight, lessons 1 through 4, that syncs up quite well. But it's when Spotlight on Music or the music studio here goes into Unit 1, that's where it doesn't really sync up anymore, because technically in the online school, Unit 1, Lesson 1 was Step into the Spotlight, and then Unit 1, Lesson 4 was Patriotic Medley. So when we get into the actual Unit 1, this is where the naming convention gets a little bit off. And so my suggestion to you is just focus on the title. And the title for today's was Sing Higher and Lower. So just follow what you see as the title of the music lesson and don't pay as much attention to what unit lesson it is. Okay, I hope this was helpful.